Okay, welcome everyone. Today is Thursday. It's October 25th of 2018. This is a recap of the trades that I made live in our live chat room today. We started the day with a core trade, as I always do. The first trade was not a winner, but I caught it on the second. I want to explain a little bit about that. With the core strategy is really designed to trade first thing in the morning, and it's based on a couple different principles. And the way this works is if the first trade is a loser, there is another component to it, and it's called the continuation pattern. If the components are all set up and the market conditions are right, then I will go ahead and take a second position, which is called the continuation pattern, which is basically an additional sell position. So nonetheless, let's take a look at the charts here. So this is of the Euro US dollar here. This was my first trade of the day. These arrows represent my entry points. This is a 5-minute chart up here, and this is the 1-minute chart. My first trade, I did go in short, was really looking good here for a while, and ended up settling against me. I was obviously in early. That can happen when we're trading 5-minute binaries. I ended up taking a loss on that, but I did have a continuation pattern that was set up. So I went ahead and I took that second continuation pattern. I did put on a little bit more size here and ended up making a really nice trade, ending that first core trade, both of them together as a profit. The rest of the day I nibbled out. I went into my nibble strategy. Obviously too many trades to show all those trades, but nonetheless I ended up with a really nice day of being up 421.75. Now keep in mind that tomorrow is Friday. Fridays tend to be very choppy days. I like to come in early in the morning, get my core trade out of the way, and that I will trade the nibble strategy throughout the rest of the day, but being very cautious. Once again, my emphasis is always on the shorts and not the buys. So you're probably going to see that as well again tomorrow, but probably with a little bit more discretion. May only take shorts and no buys tomorrow. I just have to wait and see what the morning looks like. Typically, if I have good EOM in the morning, it's typically going to be a good day for the rest of the day. If EOM is coming in early and then it fades early, that tends to tell me the rest of the day is going to be choppy. So we'll just have to wait and see how things look tomorrow. Nonetheless, if you'd like to know a little bit more about my core strategy, you can get your hands on my free video by just hanging tight here at the end of this video, and I'll tell you exactly how to do that. Otherwise, I'll be back tomorrow with a recap of my Friday trades, and we'll see how I did for the week. So nonetheless, that's it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades because I do post them daily, and all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students as I share my charts and I make my trades, and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. I wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.